Hey everybody, in this video we'll show you how to remove and then reinstall the blade in this Ryobi circular saw. Let's get to it. Reinstalling the blade is a little bit different than the opposite of removal, so I do encourage you to watch this short video to the end. Your first step is to pull the battery out for safety. Next, pull the 5mm hex key from the back of the saw. Next, press the spindle lock button and hold it down while you use the hex key wrench to loosen the blade screw. And notice that to loosen it, you twist it to the right. That's right, you actually turn it to the right. This is a reverse threaded screw. Now we can remove the outer washer, then pull back the blade guard and carefully remove the saw blade. Next, we'll pull out the inner washer, and then we're gonna get some 3-in-1 oil. The operator manual recommends putting a drop of oil on the washer surfaces that contact the blade. If you don't have any of this around, I'll put a link in the description below. Then we take the inner washer and replace it onto the arbor, pull back the blade guard, and carefully return the blade to the saw. Notice that the teeth are facing up toward the front of the saw. Now we take the outer washer and return it to the arbor, but notice that there are flat sides on that match up to the arbor itself. Both have flat sides, so get those lined up and place them onto the saw, and then screw the blade screw back in place to the left. Remember, this is a reverse thread. After finger tightening the screw, let's use that spindle lock button to lock the blade in place and use the hex key to tighten down the blade the rest of the way. And finally, let's put the battery back in place and we are done. Hey, if this video helped you, the best way to thank me is to comment, like, or subscribe.